This is the DeGuard item number KKEDH Deadbolt keypad. I'm going to demonstrate it and install it today. Got the outside Deadbolt keypad, and that's the cable that goes through the door. Got the adjustable deadbolt that can be 2 3/4, 2 3/8. So that goes in there. Got the screw pack. This is keyed in Quickset, KW1. You can also get it in the Schlage out of the box, Schlage SC1. It's the mounting plate on the back, and then this is the little battery pack deadbolt kit that just comes off like that. I've got the deadbolt installed properly. I'm just gonna put the tailpiece and the cable through on the outside of the door. The cable goes through this opening in the mounting plate on the inside of the door. And the screws, the bolts go through into the deadbolt on the outside this way. Before you tighten it down all the way, you always want to make sure it's straight. Once it's straight, then you can tighten it down. So all you do is take the battery pack, plug that little tiny cable into the only place it will go, right there. And the cable gets routed through this little kind of cable control panel. Cable control channel, I meant to say. And it sits on there over the tailpiece. You can test it if you like. And then the screws that hold the pack, battery pack, thumb turn on the door, on the mounting plate, are these little screws right here. So, and that's gonna stay on there by itself now. I just wanted to show you the set button. It comes from the factory with a code of 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm gonna lock it right now. You type in 1 2 3 4 5 6 and it'll unlock for you. To change that, you just push and hold this for 1 second, puts you into programming mode. Type in that 1 2 3 4 5 6 and follow the instructions to change it. It's really simple. You can have multiple users, dozens of users. You can put it in vacation mode where the keypad doesn't work at all, just the key when you get home. You can have single use where you want someone to be able to get in and then never again. All sorts of options in the guide. And the guide is right here, user guide. So that's the DeGuard keypad deadbolt.